Hi, I'm Keith.
And I'm Matt with CSS Off-Road. Today we're going to be installing the Class 2 Tiger hitch. Let's take a look at it. So in the box, you get the instructions, you have your warranty card, you get the hitch cover with the Tiger logo, you have your wiring harness mounting bracket, you get your bag of nuts and bolts and washers, and then here's the actual hitch. It's Class 2, it's rated at 3,500 pounds, 350 pounds tongue weight. Looks to be constructed of 1/4-inch steel. Appears to be of good quality. It's powder coated black. So let's get it on.
So for ease of installation, we're going to remove the rear bumper. It'll make it easier to line the holes up and install the hardware.
So to remove the rear bumper on this JK, there's 6 bolts. 2 on the passenger, 2 on the driver, and 2 in the center behind the muffler. I'm going to start with the driver's side with these 2 bolts here. Let's see where they are. These 2 bolts here. All right, got these 2 on the passenger here. You have 2 bolts here and here behind the muffler. And these are actually so close to the muffler that you can't get the air ratchet in there. I just chose to use a box-in wrench on these. And these are all 16 millimeter, by the way.
We gotta go straight up more.
I don't think I can. Then it comes with these 4 bolts. 2 of the bolts only get a washer. The 2 in the center that have to come this direction actually have a lock washer and a regular washer. Just put those in from the back. And these you'll just kind of have to work with. It's a little awkward. Go ahead and tighten these down. Put the washer and the nut on the back. It actually is a nylon lock nut. There's a little nylon piece in it to keep it from backing off. A little bit bigger than a 16. So these new ones are bigger than a 16.
So right here is the wiring harness bracket. On our original install, we didn't put that on. So it goes behind this bolt right here, and it's got a little lip, and you just put it right there, put the bolt through. Don't forget that step.
So now we're going to reinstall the bumper pretty much the exact same way that it came off and button everything up.
That's going to finish it up for the install. I do have to note that this was supposed to come with a wiring harness for the trailer lights and brakes. I will be getting in contact with Tiger so I can get that shipped to me. But thanks for watching from CSS Off-Road. Please consider liking and subscribing the video. It'll help our channel grow. We'll see you on the next one.